1. Try to practice this.
Mach mir gleich in die Hose. So.
The ball is from which year? Write in the comment.
2014.
Okay?
Oh, Digga!
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Guys, what can you do in order to style your crossbody lead? First of all, we can use the same rules as the ladies. So on 7, we also don't want to go back, we're gonna go to the side, okay? Usually if I dance alone, I don't dance like straight and forward, it's more like to the side, okay? So now check on me, what I do on 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. So on 7, I try to stay just, I go to the 7. If I go to 7, just staying like a triangle, and then on 1, I take my 1 to me, 1. Okay, it looks so much different if you just do this. Okay? Portugal. In Brazil, of course. Okay, the ball, I can also dribble, of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. I just want to show off a little bit. Okay. You get a free class.
No.
And then a free class then.
So.
The ball is from which year? Write in the comment.
2014.
This
Right?
ball.
18.
Du bist nicht mal geboren.
Hä, was glaubst du?
Was glaubst du? This ball is from 2006.
Ah, okay. Bin ich nicht mehr geboren?
So guys, think about triangles, okay? So in this case, this is a triangle, okay? So check how we face the ball. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Okay? I'm facing the ball, she's facing the ball, and I'm leading slightly to the right. So you need to put your whole weight on 7, and then we go 1. Check how it looks in the practice. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Alright, so you can train that also at home, okay? 1. Try to practice this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
That's beautiful. No, it's okay. Check, but train that at home. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Easy. So just face the ball and you can start with 1. Okay? The thing which I also teach in my membership, triangles are really important, guys. Triangles. A triangle, here is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. So I do 1. Check my 1. Check my 1 and check my 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then I go into my 1. Another thing what you can do is your 8 on 1. Okay? So you can do a ChaChaCha, for instance. So we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, for instance. Okay? We do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, ChaChaCha, 1. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1. If I do it alone, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1. 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Easy. So this is the second version. Another version is to do 8 on 1, for instance. Check. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check how I do it. I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Weight is here on 8. It's on 7. 8 on 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1, 2, 3. One more time, and then in the end we do everything with the music. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try to do that
All together
with music. Okay.
Vaya folclórico, oye, disculpa la tardanza y los dolores de cabeza, ¿sabes? Agradezco tu paciencia y esta gran oportunidad. Dile, ya tú ves.